Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I look super different in today's video. That's obviously because of the spec that I'm wearing. As you can tell from the title, in this video I'm going to share a few styles of hijab which can be styled by orang yang bercermin mata, because I've been receiving a lot of requests from you girls out there asking for tutorials untuk orang yang bercermin mata. Jadi I've tried to figure out few styles yang saya akan share lah dalam video ini, dengan harapan it will be helpful for everyone. The reason why I really want to do this video is because I would like to deliver a message to everyone, especially kepada yang pakai spec. I would like you to know that wearing spec shouldn't stop you from being stylish with your hijab. Okay, banyak styles yang you can actually rock on even pakai spec dan you pakai hijab. And today's hijab is from thelilit.co. I'm gonna link their Instagram in the description box down below. Please go and check their Instagram out because they have varieties of hijab with different material. Ada cotton, ada satin, ada pleated, ada yang kosong, ada macam-macam. So pergi check their Instagram out. If I'm not mistaken, they are currently having promo juga. And kalau you rasa macam tak percaya apa yang saya cakap, macam material best ke tak apa kan, you nak tahu, you will have to watch these videos until the end. Then only you will know whether material ni best ke tak. Because kalau saya tipu, mesti akan nampak macam, you boleh nampak lah daripada cara pemakaian saya ke apa semua kan. So tengok video sampai habis, then only you will. Okay, I think that's all. If you have any recommendations on what video should I do next, do not hesitate to leave your comment down below. InsyaAllah saya mesti akan baca, saya mesti akan reply. And thank you so much for your endless support. Happy watching. I love you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.